What's up, YouTube? I have 3 pairs of the Kyrie 5 SBSP. I believe it stands for Spongebob SquarePants. This is the pineapple house colorway. If you don't know, Spongebob lives in a pineapple house under the sea. Looks kind of like these shoes. Unfortunately, we do have 3 pairs, but none of them are my size. So I'll try and stuff my foot into that 9.5 for the video. We'll see how it goes. It says Nickelodeon right there. Pretty iconic brand if you're a kid. Very, that's the snail. That's SpongeBob right there. And the pineapple house. Quite an intriguing reference. I'm gonna pull all these pairs out. We'll take a look at them. What do you think of this colorway? I know it's quite liked by a lot of people in the community. It's quite a popular colorway. It's selling out in a lot of stores. It is a Kyrie 5. I've been familiar with the sneaker for some time. It's not too bad. Pulling out the 9.5. As you can see, the box is a little bit damaged. Let me just show you the box anyway in case you're interested. It says Kyrie 5. There's a nice little Illuminati-like logo. There's some box damage for you, Nike logo. In case you want to know what it's supposed to say at the back. You can read all that. And then at the bottom, box made in China. And for my last pair, keep in mind this pair is quite damaged. So I'll show you what the box damage is like on this one. Like, that's completely ridiculous, you know? Like, how does that even happen? Like, why are they even shipping this box out? Anyway. Here we go. Kyrie 5 SpongeBob. Pineapple house colorway. I mean, I'd rock them if I had them in my size. Unfortunately, I don't. I'll try and throw one on for you. Maybe we can get it on and you can see how it looks. I really thought I could get a size 12, you know? I went around trying to get a size 12 for myself, but all these resellers keep buying up the size 12s, you know? I ended up with a 9 and 9.5 and an 8. Like, what am I gonna do with that? I'm a size 12, and I'm about to throw a 9.5 on for you, my subscribers. This is what I do. I care about my channel this much. I really hope my foot doesn't get stuck, man. I have an idea. Let's loosen this up all the way. If you notice, the shoe sells for over retail, you know? There is absolutely no chance that my foot goes in there. Unfortunately, I have done like a size 10 before for a video, but I can't throw these on at the moment. So I can't give you an on foot, but I can tell you that they look kind of fire. I'm sure there's a lot of Kyrie 5 footage out there. Kind of know how these feel, you know, you can go try them on quite easily. But the colorway you might not be able to see, so Here's the video sharing the colorway with you. I like the shoe a lot. Let me know what you think of it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Hit up my my YouTube channel subscribe button. There's also a link in the description to buy these on StockX. It's an affiliate marketing link, which means that yes, I would earn money if you purchase the shoes off of it. So all in all, I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.